This Century 21 United property video is presented by David.kitterlin. One-of-a-kind property, close to shopping, updated manufactured home sitting on 4 acres with 1 workshop with electric, shed with electric, property fully fenced, house has all wood floors no carpet, huge master with a huge master bath with whirlpool tub, huge closet, separate office space with built-in desk, open kitchen with an island and separate dining, large living area, nice utility room, huge back porch, great for entertaining with 2 storage rooms attached, gated concrete driveway, front circular driveway. For more information, review the details below.